Hello, sir. How are you? This is Mohsin to look after your project. After watching your post, I would like to share one of my recent project. It is look like a e-commerce project. If I click in this button, you will see a user form will open. So first, user need to select the region and their currency. And here you can see all the product list. So if user select the category, it will select the individual items based on the selected category. If I select all the item will be shown. And here user can select the item just clicking into this button, and here you can see the picture is changing automatically. So there are two picture, one is the product picture and another one is the packing picture. So if I click some items into the card, you can see this button is automatically changed, means like user can't click this button again. I am clicking some more items, then we will go into the cart section. Here I click these items and you can see these items is already added. So this is the main functionality of this page. And if I go into this page, here you can see all the item is included. When I will click on the item, I will see the related picture. Just customer can see their product before placing the order. And here before placing the order they can change their value, and if they create the calculate button, this data will change automatically. And here you can see this data is not formatted is as per the client requirement, but here if you want you can use any dollar sign, pound sign, whatever you want you can add. And if customer want to remove any item from their card, they can click this button and you can see the item gone. So this is the main functionality, and here you can see some information and also the some shipping details. If they fill up all the field and they click in the print invoice button, a PDF file will open and it will save under this file, and the file name will be date and hour matching with my time. And if I click the in packing button, you will see another PDF will create here. So if I go there, this is actually the coding of this project. If I click this packing list item, another PDF is open, and you can see there will be another PDF will be created in this folder. And also you can add some more button like for mailing or any other point if you want. So just I want to share the functionality how this coding is working, and if you want to add more functionality, obviously I can do it. This is just a demo, so I am waiting for an interview to hear you soon to know more details about your requirement. Happy Excel, happy automation. See you. Have a good day.